To add a Visa debit card to Apple Pay, start by opening the Wallet app on your Apple device. If you do not see the Wallet app, you can find it by swiping left on your home screen and typing Wallet in the search bar. Once the app is open, tap the plus sign in the top right corner to begin the process of adding a new card. Next, select Continue and then choose Credit or Debit Card. You will be prompted to use your camera to capture the card information or to enter it manually. To use your camera, place your Visa debit card on a flat surface and position the camera over the card. The app will automatically scan the card number and expiration date. If you prefer to enter the information manually, tap Enter Card Details manually and fill in the required fields, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. The security code is the 3-digit code on the back of your card. After entering the card information, you will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of using Apple Pay with your Visa debit card. Read through the terms carefully and tap Agree to proceed. Your bank may require you to verify your card before you can use it with Apple Pay. This is a standard security measure to ensure that the card is being added by the authorized account holder. You may be asked to call your bank or receive a verification code via text or email. Once your card has been verified, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your Visa debit card has been successfully added to Apple Pay. You can now use your card to make payments with your Apple device. To use Apple Pay, simply hold your device near a contactless payment terminal and authenticate the transaction with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You can also use Apple Pay within apps and on the web by selecting Apple Pay as your payment method and authenticating the transaction. To get the most out of Apple Pay, make sure to keep your device and card information up to date. You can do this by regularly reviewing your card details in the Wallet app and updating them as needed. Additionally, be sure to only add cards from trusted banks and institutions to ensure the security of your financial information.